Okay, have you ever had that time in your life when you're just like beating your freaking meat a lot and like you just having that good ass feeling, okay? It's hard to explain, but I let like a couple of my friends just beat it, like, you know, show it, I guess.
Oh shit, don't come over here, little nigga. Don't come over here. Don't watch that shit. Oh damn. Oh,
y'all ever had that good time where you just like, ooh, you be on that porn too, you be like, ooh yeah, it's some nasty hardcore shit, Asian pussy.
ooh, nigga.
You just like right there, you just being that shit. But then I know you just turn your head and your mama looking at you. You're like, oh, did I tell your ass I was coming? You want some?
When you get to that point, nigga, and you like checking off and shit, you almost there, nigga.
Yeah.
Your fucking feet just start crunching up.
Yeah, you like,
all tight as shit. You like, oh shit. And you making noise and shit. And mama like, what the fuck? I'm like, hold on, mama, hold on. You just fucking, you like, oh shit. And you kind of slow it down, adjust yourself and shit.
yeah, because you know it's about to nut, huh?
Yeah, you gotta like, hey, I gotta slow
You gotta relax.
I'm like, this shit feeling good right now. You like, alright.
Gotta take a breather. Get that little cup of water. Get that cup of water, you know.
Start beating that motherfucker. And you start to stand up and shit. Start standing up.
You gotta
start
get
arching that back and shit. Like you like, oh shit.
And then you gotta
deep on that
get something you can come on, you know.
deep on that
You like,
you like, oh damn.
and then once you finally start coming, you pull it all the way up.
Yeah.
And then you the last
Oh shit.
And you have that last pump, you're like,
That last pump is good shit right there. That last motherfucker pump. Remember
you
that,
gotta get that
last
pump.
shit.
It's called the last pump.
Last pump.
It's kind of hard for me to do that because like Asian people got small dicks, alright? Man, it's like a little egg roll. Just deal with it. These guys, see this guy's black.
Big ass motherfucking.
Yeah, his dick is like, hold this. This nigga's dick is like this big, dog. It's like this big. Look, it reaches to the camera. Dog. I'm on that motherfucker. Hey, it reaches to there. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay.
Stroke that shit, little nigga. Stroke that shit.
But you know, just be happy, beat your meat.
Don't let your mama get into it. Don't let your mama lock the damn door, son.
And when you need to come, nigga, don't hold that shit in, nigga.
Let it out.
Let that motherfucker out.
That's called stress right there. It releases all the sexual frustration.
Let that shit out.
We out. Bye.